joining my dad in Roblox.
Ganun talaga yan sa Melody. Ano pa? Wait lang, marami ba ba yan? Kapag tayo na on our own, ang dami natin
Sorry, bit lousy.
Ang dami kasi emotion ngayon, hindi ba kapag isip naman?
Oh my, that is not on my ears though.
New York? Di ba nasend ko sa yung Christmas ng New York?
But that is on my ears.
Ayo.
I'm a
Parang babalik
check
ka sa
my
bata
dad.
doon. Parang paborito mo maroon kada December.
Tapos doon ako sa sahig ng noon. Sa times. Miss ko na yun.
Ano pa ba? Nothing more.
Ano ba sa local? Feeling ko namin na local.
Bagyo pwede din namin yung ABR.
Yeah.
I can't touch. I can't.
Wala. Sana talaga.
Sa ano?
Hindi, sana mangyayari yan. Hindi ka lang.
Ay, magkano tayo? Sa'yo kasi.
Saan?
Ay,
Ay, oo.
At saka
Nakakita eh.
kita, di ba? Ang...
Wait, na-try nyo na yung sa ano? Parang, ano ba yun? Pero siguro. Basta
Oo,
yung
doon.
Yun ba yun? Yun ba yun?
Oo,
Sarah?
sa tabi.
Ah, yun.
Yung malaki nila. At saka kasi di ba ba, ang pag ano sinasabi nila,
I don't know this.
malamig doon.
I'm not.
Actually,
Actually,
ang
hard
na-imagine
to,
ko
like,
like parang
wall
ano
hack.
lang yung weather, yung mapagi. Hindi, mainit din siya, pero yung hangin malamig.
Ah,
What
okay.
should I do?
Mainit siya as in tirik yung araw, pero yung hangin malamig. Hindi siya yung mainit, yun yung something sa kanya. Kaya parang yung pawis mo nagugulo kung lalabas siya o hindi. Parang ganun.
I'm playing this.
Nalilito siya. Ang dami
I haven't
rides.
played
Tapos
this for a
syempre, kahit
while.
bago tayo mag-ibang bansa na mas malalaki yung mga rides. Yun na. Alam mo na. O, EK.
Ay, oo.
Wait, sasabihin ko ano?
Wala, 1,000 lang daw per head. Ano na eh, lahat na ng rides eh.
Tataba ako ng ganito. Kanina kain ngayon kain ulit.
Gosh, yeah. Literally have these 7 now. Oh, we can claim a gift. Hi. Hi there, Papa. Oh. Spin. What? Maya-maya pa po, nagkabanding pa sila doon. Nagpunta lang ako dito kaya ang ingay. Here we go. Looking for purple. Oh, yes. Almost there. I am. Oh, yeah. Oh, look at this. But it's the we keep saving. Oh, she's stirred. She's fast. Go. Oh, I'm tired, dude. Well, the race ended. So let's try out for the race. Yeah, I'm first. No, this this girl is catching up to me again. That's fine. I'm just gonna spin. I'm sick. Just spam jump if you actually wanna win this. I'm about to reach it. Oh, I'm about to get it. I'm in the corner. Yay! I have so many wins. Well, the race ended and I had so many wins. Okay, no problem. I will. Okay, no problem. But you gotta survive. You gotta survive. I didn't equip it. Did I? I didn't. Okay, I did. I have like 3 million. Gotta keep training for revive. Oh, we're so strong. We're like having forces from me. She's the only one wanting to win. The girl's racing nothing. Oh, I don't want to steal their spots. They left it. I don't want to steal their spots. And it's weird stealing people's spots. Morado, you got me suicidal. I want to see like the purple one. It's like when you get the purple one, so it's still not showing itself, so just kind of just. One second, I can happen. Somebody's dead and they're so fast. Nobody has stopped here yet. No. About to claim the money. Oh, I have a trace? I don't even know I had a trace. Well. You got me suicidal. Yeah, I just started like 2 days ago and now I'm right here. Faster, faster, there's like no time. Oh, okay, we're kind of fast. Okay. After this, we just gotta keep getting a reward. We have literally so many rewards. I can't go faster. Okay. Oh, what happened? Hello? I don't wanna. Oh, yeah, I forgot I did auto race. So. I don't wanna auto race no more. If you like wanna auto race, guys, good luck. Yay, we can finally get. But I'm actually like saving up for this, so this is I'm actually gonna save up for this. And now you're gonna buy this because I'm gonna save up for this. That's how I became like I don't even know where am I? What am I? Oh, I'm the second in the leaderboard. Yay! Let's conquer this. You done. They are like so lucky. They're literally like in here on the stage now. They're so lucky. Oh my gosh. I can just use this. Okay, I didn't notice that I can use it. Okay, guys. Oh. I'm like waiting for like my speed to go up. I'm just gonna tell you guys if I'm out there. So we got into 13. I just realized the person beside me, we literally have the same character. This person and this baddie. We also have this person and this baddie. What? Coincidental? We're almost there. We We got it. We got it. We are here, y'all. We're like so fast. We are so fast. I keep having this and I don't like it. I want to get this. 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 I want to get money, just not money. Happy birthday. Okay, I know there's not much time, but I think it's gonna get late. We're not even fast. I'm gonna leave. Just not money. Oh, look if the thing in the thing of a baby. It's so cute. Look at it. Look at it. Baby tiny. It's nice. Yeah, I'm cancel. I mean like cancel. I left. I'm gonna finish it up like tomorrow. But I'm gonna play a different game. My room's there too. It's cute. It's cute. Scuba. Oh, you just joined in. Look up. Oh. No. Guys, I joined my... No! Bro, she saw me. I joined my... Guys, I look so... Why? I was not supposed to join. Why I was not supposed to join him? I was not supposed to join him. I was not supposed to join him. I was just supposed to join. I'm like... I joined him. Oh my gosh, why am I not unfriending him? What? I joined him. Oh my gosh. Oh, you know what? Let's just play normally. Let's play normally. Oh, if she's like that, it's actually gonna be so hard to get her. I can't. Like, I cannot stop. GG. Just join. I can't leave the server though, cause like there's like a chance like I'll get murdered. Get murdered. I mean, just like money. If I'm in PC, we'll join the mini avatar. We'll shoot the mini avatars easily. Not sure that, LOL. But for real, like, if you're actually in PC, if you're actually in PC, you can literally just like shoot like, the mini. I promise. I can't even shoot the standing person. Okay, that was kind of personal. What? That was on top of it. Oh my gosh, I fell. What, Wally? I'm sure. No, you're not. Just shoot it. What? Why was I there? Why was I there? Why was I there? Kaningin ako, kaningin. Well, obviously got killed in front of him. Well, it's fine. This is the boy. Oh, that's so awkward. 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 May just like a moment. Oh, girls can't. I had spam. What was that hitbox? What was that hitbox? Like, I'm literally beside him. He's so skinny. Oy! Totoo naman. Baka. Joke lang. That's bad. That's bad, okay? Baka maban ka. Baka may ban ka. Baka na mukhang mag-cam. Uy! Bi, ano ba to siya? Bi, ano ba yan? Tagalog pala kayo. Kababad talaga nito ang mga Tagalogers na to. Go Mini! Go Mini! Go, go! Go Mini! Youngster na. Go Mini! Yung gun nandun, Mini! Asan pa yung gun? Yung gun? Uy, bad. Wala, nag-end na. Sorry. Sorry. Ninjas Japan naman. Ano ba yan? Ganda talaga namin na to. Nakakatuwa sa utak. Hala! Ang cute, gusto ko nito lang maging mini kasi para ako lang manalo. Look, basta hindi dapat ganun. Ninja! Bakla, be, tabi ko din dyan. Alam mo naman, natao ako eh. Ito, mag-trade tayo sa person na hindi ko kilala. Wag na pala, wala kasi siyang i-offer kaya wag na. Ano yan? Tawag ni ante. Tol pala. Tawag ni ante yung sinabi ko. Tol ni ante. Auntie Marisa. Yeah, Huy, look, killer. Oh, pala. May just now permanent. Imagine killer is the main.
Actually, dito tayo lahat sa kama.
Dito tayo.
Lamesa na.
Malawak dito. Kailangan natin ng...
Ay, oh. Hindi mo na kailangan ng banig. Ito na, may matlo dito.
Bakit ba itong
Sino killer?
At parang wala na yan. Nag-aaral na lang everyday of your life. Bye! Bye!
Akala ko nga
Sandya ka lang muna,
nainis lang yan siya ba kay ano.
Daming grabe.
Dumarami nga kahapon. Nung nakaraan, nasa
Siya
tatlo
ulit?
lang. Tapos ito kanina, wow, ang dami na.
Palagi na lang siya, B.
Talagang
Ba't
totoo
siya
na
na
talaga.
naman?
Bye.
Siya na naman.
Hi, Kitty Pie.
Hi.
How are you to find out?
Ano yan?
Ano daw? Ano yun?
Wag mo patayin yung mini. Yan ang only chance na hindi ka mananalo sa wag. Ala, grabe yung lag ko, B. Ala, naglag na ako, B. Ala, B. Nagalag ako, B. B, nagalag ako. Grabe yung lag ko, B. Wow. Ala, nagalag na naman ako. Tita, yung wifi!
Tita!
Be, gabi ka lakas ng ano ko, be. Ta!
Yung wifi!
Okay, ang back. May nakita lang uman. Hello, siya yun! Isa. Please, wag ako. Please ako. Wag ako. Sir. Check the Puerto Rico. Say the Puerto Rico. Labi, gabi, lakas ng lag ko. Grabe. Abe? Ano ba yan? Ako, lakas ng lag ko. Ay, be, walag ko, be.
Yol!
Kita nung grade 3?
Napasok ka na eh. Nagpasok ka na.
How fast?
Give me a gun to the next one. It's gonna give you the okay. Thanks for logging. Want more gun? Gonna give you, but okay. The hardest choice ever, Jacqueline. Yep, next round. Stinga. Nope. Sheriff. I want to win. We don't have. You want to have some gun? She does not. Oh, get sheriff. Oh, so kind. So kind. I don't need guns. Okay. No, I'm lagging. Yo, I'm lagging. No! Wifi ko, B. Yung wifi ko, B. Yung wifi ko. Cool ba? Likot ka lala.
Ano yung tea?
Likot ka.
Sulat.
Ano to? Hindi ko na malaro. Hala. Ayun. Meron tayo antik. So, magkalaro tayo.
Aroy!
Ay, sulat-sulat ko to siya. Ba't nagaganan kayo? Kasi naman. Sabi ni Sir Nico, ganyan na to? Third person nga, ni ang gaganin.
Oh my God.
Ayoko nga. Next week, iwan natin. Baka nung third person yung pangalan.
Pero guys, wala na akong ano ba? Well, yun. Let them go. Ayun lang tayo nito. Wala naman yung pwede kang malalaro. Wala nga pala tayong connection. Ito, madami tayong malaro. Hindi ko ito gusto. Crystal. Hindi gusto. At papakita sa inyo yung mga ginagawa ko sa mga laro. Puzzle. Pakabok. Minecraft, Roblox, kahit ano lang. Nalaro. Wala. Puzzle. Kabad ng isa. Ay, may no. Ano yan? Hala, no! Ay, guys, nakuha na ano na. Yay! Ayoko. Naka-edit. Doon yun. Ganyan siya guys. Yung mga maliliit dito na tao. Ang tae. O yung dyan sa... Ang first nating location is ito. Oh my gosh. Ito mga pambari talaga. Check natin yung mga each other's lockers. Hala, sira yung bag ko. Ito. Baka classroom. Ay, ito na yung mga ganito sa kabataan ngayon. Ay, kapaki. Hala! Excuse me. Read us. No. So, dito tayo. So, saan mo gawin? Ay, hala, I forgot na may beach pala dito. Pinindot ko yung beach by the way. Hindi ko pwede siya maganda yung masyado. Akin yan bantayan nyo dyan. Bantayan siya. Ay, kasi tayo dito. Ito. Studio. Baka makeup. Okay. Nakikita na ako dito. Dito naman. Dito naman. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Hindi ko. Dito naman tayo sa Met Gala. Problema guys, wala pa ako bahay. Yung pupunta ko lang sa Met Gala. Hindi mapangat to. Mapangat yun siya. Hindi ka susuot nan. Tago kayo dyan ba kayo? Pwede yan, matanda yan. Pwede yan, matanda yan. Pwede yan. Ito. Kanito ibigay kay Black. Ano pa na yun? Kalbo di ba yan? Ito. Ito na yun. Stop the interview. So, bis sa'yo ko talagang ibibigay daw. Hindi pala sa'yo, sorry. Na-interrupt ang iyong speech siya. Sino? Saan ba?
Excuse me.
Wala. Pasok ko ba? Bata.
Oh. Okay ka lang? Okay ka lang? Okay ka lang? Oops. May alcohol ka doon. Wala kasi akong alcohol. Lagyan mo ng alcohol.
Okay guys, but I forgot that I was gonna buy some things for the puppy. First for the puppy, I'm gonna buy this for the puppy. This for the puppy. And actually I'm gonna pick this for the puppy. Of course, this for the puppy. And one burger for the puppy. You can't miss this. And now for this.
Ano ba itong mga nakikita kong
Of
apartment
course,
sa
this
Tugiga raw?
is for the puppy.
Sa Tugiga raw.
Ano yun?
Yung iba sa Davao.
Oh.
Excellent mo, grabe mo ka ano?
First,
Oh?
wait,
Minsan man may palang papasok na kaagad.
Putik dun. Yan pa man ang kinakainisan mo. Ganyan. Mga kaputik.
Mag-tricycle ka pa bago kang masakay. Ayoko ng dalawang sakayan, magastos.
I wanna open this cat.
Gina-consider ko rin kasi yan yung lugar.
I
Kasi
think
nakaraan ang daming
I'll go with
magaganda.
cats
10 minutes sa sobrang ganda. Ang mura lang, parang 5K lang ata yun. Diyos ko, irawan. Kaya naman,
No, I'm not gonna go just for
Kaya naman pala.
kaya naman may pagkamura.
I'm
Di
gonna
kay
get this
siksikan.
for the puppy. For this,
Gusto ko
I'm
alam
gonna
mga
get
San
this.
Pedro lang sana.
For treats, I'm gonna get this and this for the puppy.
Yung tinatarget mo, yung kuya mo, di ba?
Hindi pa mga...
Marami ako nakita din na ano, ka-price nito, pero
This
okay pa rin. I mean, okay din naman to, pero marami
puppies
na.
love treats. And another
Na super ganda.
What? Let's just get 2 treats for the puppy.
Chili.
Sino siya? Yung
Customer.
You can't open that until you have like
San
the
Pedro yun.
thingy.
Kila Shelly.
Next is for
Parang
this.
nagdadalawang isip ko pa. Sino yung ibon?
1 and 2
Kung wala, nag-aisip ko na naman. Ikaw
for the doggy.
Yan.
For the catty.
Ikaw, yan yung parang, yung isa na, alam mo nga ikaw, yung mga parang ako, dahil lang mga ganyan, dahil na ako. Hindi ikaw makapanakot, di ba?
For the
Ganun tayo
cat.
babae.
You know, this is for the cat because it's smaller. But I don't want to make it this though. I want to make it purple. Well, let's just make it pink. Cat, 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 cat. Dog, dog, dog. There we go. I'm gonna give this for the cat and this for the dog. Cat, dog, dog. You guys can literally see what I'm doing. Next, let's shop for the cat. For the cat, I have so many things to think. And, you know, guys, when you like pull this thing on, they have this thing, which it leads to there.
Tama yun. Kaya nga.
For the cat, I'm gonna do the cat now.
Ako nga.
For the cat, first we need one treat for the cat. This. Let's look for the other side. This will fit the cat more. And I'm gonna buy this for the dog, for the catty ratty. Catty ratty! Yeah, that's okay. And I'm gonna like get my mom over here and place it right there, okay. There. It disappeared. And I was actually just like thinking of buying these two for the cat and the dog. And it was a brilliant idea. So I'm gonna buy it. I don't need sleep things. You don't need that. You don't need that. This is for the dog. Let's just put it for the yeah, that's for the dog.
May iPhone na rin naman si ate. Kasi ang ganda naman picture na iPhone camera.
Yung mga inisip ko.
Kuya, ang
Next.
ate, ang best malubat na iPhone, hindi pang lalaki.
Oo nga, yun nga. Ang gusto ni Kuya.
Wait, I forgot about the toys. Because we won't miss this rat. And of course we need this burger, this, and
Tsaka wala naman gano'n na dito na bata.
also this. So we have so many choices. And for the treats of the dog, of course we need this. For the other treats of the cat, we
Oo, di
need
ba na parang ako, ang dami-dami kong...
this. You know what? Let's buy this for both of them. I got these two.
Totoo.
These two.
Yung mga klase ko
keys,
naka-iPhone, lagi may
and
power bank.
it's so
Yung
cute.
gano'n ba?
This is my cat and dog, and it's so perfect.
Kaya yung isip ko mabuti.
I promise.
Kasi power bank na iPhone na.
What is this? Okay, oh my god.
Kami gano'n din?
Anchor mahal.
This boy will
Yung
like
trusted
this.
brand lang nila. Kasi pwede mo naman gamitin talaga yan. Yan, no? Siyempre.
This goes for that. Well, I think the cat wouldn't. I mean, the dog wouldn't love that. We gotta make it bigger. There we go. Now it's equal. Oh, don't walk, just fly. This is the things for the cat. For the cat. And this is the things for the dog. It's many, but it's good. And I gotta find more things to how to unlock the things. So I'll show you guys later.